Bitcoin is down almost 50% from its all-time high. You'd think something dramatic would be happening. Nope. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We went from $126,000 to around $60,000. That's not just a correction. That's your portfolio going through the 5 stages of grief. And right now, we're somewhere between depression and checking Twitter for hopium. Here's the funny part. This is exactly where retail investors make their third mistake. The first, buying near the top. The second, panic selling after the crash. The third, opening the chart, seeing absolutely nothing. Closing it, and opening it again 3 minutes later, as if Bitcoin was waiting for you to refresh the page. But here's what the data actually shows. Looking at previous Bitcoin cycles, major corrections of around 40% or more were usually followed by weeks of sideways consolidation, not days. Weeks. We're currently around week 7. Historically, this isn't unusual. It doesn't guarantee what comes next, but it does mean that boredom has always been part of the process. Think of it as the loading screen. You're sitting there, staring at the progress bar, clicking the mouse, hoping it'll load faster. It won't. The market isn't punishing you, it's just indifferent. And somehow, that's even worse. I am Professor Korn, and if there's one thing markets teach us, it's that patience isn't rewarded instantly. It's tested first.
We've all been here,